Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to calculate percentage in Excel. So let's get started. Here I have the result of the students and my task is to calculate the percentage of all students. So basically the formula used to calculate the percentage is obtain marks divided by total marks and multiply by 100. So first, enter equal, then select the cell of obtain marks, then enter slash, used for division, then select the cell of total marks, then enter asterisk, used for multiplication, and write 100, then press enter, and that's it. You don't need to apply this formula one by one on each row. Just select this cell, drag it from the corner to the last row, and formula was applied on all rows automatically. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can calculate the percentage in Excel. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.